Did you know Samsung Note can automatically fix the shape you draw? Let me show you how to make your hand-drawn shape look perfect. First, open Samsung Note. Tap the Create New Note icon to start a new note. Now, remove the S Pen. Swipe through the toolbar until you find the Auto Fix Shape icon. It looks like a combination of a triangle and a circle. Tap it to activate the feature. Now draw a shape using your S Pen. It can be circle, triangle, rectangle, or another simple shape. As you can see, Samsung Note automatically fixes the shape, making it look like you drew it using a ruler or a drawing tool. So instead of spending time trying to make your shape perfect, you can simply draw them with your S Pen and let Samsung Note clean them up for you. And that's how to draw perfect shape in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.